But you know, I ain't gonna tell you where it is. You don't know. Are you in front of Kensington Oval?
Yeah, TV. Enough said, boy.
You know, it's all about We Here TV. DJ Supernova outside. I here by the floor and CF10. Yeah, that's where you can be chilling all day watching all the bands. Yeah, so you don't know, this is the climax crop over 2024. As I tell you, I really thought the rain would be falling right about now, boy. But outside nice, wind blowing nice, everything. So you don't know, you catch all the action here over here TV.
Yeah, so you don't know the scene's nice. It's crop over 2024, boy. But I had to head over here by this floor tank, boy, because the sun, the roasting. And you don't know, they make me feel like if I was a special guest, so I had to come and ease in the place to see what's going on. Big up floor. So I step in like if it's VIP, man, war loss. I feel special like I met myself. We here TV.
So you know it's crop over season. And when it's crop over season, you see guys like this here, so the must be in the building. Stop it begging yourself,
Salute.
man.
You don't know. This is Horse, head of security.
Right.
Stop the bumper girl.
Right. We here, Kadooment there. We here TV. Yeah, you don't know. So you don't know, you just come out to like just catch the vibe and thing for crop over. How was your crop over season, man?
Man, wonderful, man. In front and behind the scenes.
Right.
Everything was blessed. Yes, you don't know when it comes to the behinds. Also the security is revel there.
Right. Yeah. So I know you jumping my band. It's our band.
Yes.
You know what I'm saying? Bless the band. You know
We
we had a good time.
Yes.
You know what I'm
Great
saying?
time.
You know what I'm saying? Despite the rain, despite all that sort of things, we had a
Rain make it
fantastic
sweeter,
time.
boy.
You know what I'm saying with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
So
claps was louder.
yeah, for sure. Never headboards and
Never head rock,
yeah. I understand you. I understand you. So Stabby, I just want to, whatever you do today, enjoy yourself, be safe. I know you got a lot of bumpers to go and operate on and ensure that
Every
everything's
job
in
is
place.
I have spoke to me and stuff
Right,
like that.
right.
So there was some clearances that had to be
Right.
done and stuff like
Right,
that. And
right,
I do
yeah.
have a bumper radar for age restrictions.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Anyhow, my brother, big at yourself.
We here TV.
Yeah.
You don't know we here locked in Kadooment 2024 lock in.
It's
This
true.
is the place for
Yeah.
all of the vibes.
Yes,
You don't know.
yeah.
Salute.
Yes.
Follow.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, I can honestly say boy Floor play a major part for crop over 2024. And the honey here look real sweet, boy. Yeah, I had a chat with these two ladies here to keep doing company. Yeah, and this man here got so much moves, man. The man is here displaying these moves before the first band come. Oh yeah.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to pray? 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 Who be present? Who is present? Who is present? Who is present? Who in the corner? Who is present? Who is present? Who is present?
Yeah, so DJ Supernova here, but he's sound boy. So let me ease on in here with this little crew here. You understand? Yeah, big up on yourself. You don't know. Right. So how many enjoy the crop over so far? Right.
Yeah, boy, I went for a bottle of water there because it's Sunday hot. And all of a sudden, I find myself in blue box carrot, boy. I don't even know again, this man. But let me tell you, boy, these people, they're reveling all around me. You know what I'm saying? You could clearly see smiles on the face and they're having a good time. You don't know, boy. You had to get out the road, boy, because I ain't know all of a sudden this was like a real massive vigil, boy. Blue box carrot here. These people, they're having a thing from start. Let me tell you. So you don't know, I try to trickle back over the tank because these people like that ambush me, boy. Yeah, so you know, from one DJ to another, you know, you got a bigger DJ Russell, man. Maximum respect for shouting we out. You don't know the Dream Team 246. Look up for you here. Real thing now, the Supernova.
Supernova DJ Naldo, my God, my birds and my friends. Super lit. Special good morning to you guys.
I know it's We Here TV. I hear under the floor stall. This man here, like, he's a true party starter.
So you know, only the floor has a big role to play for both as well too. So from the hill floor, this is big floor block Kadooment. But you have to be outside. Represent Barbados.
Big up Raymond, aka Deadpool, was on duty all day, boy. Good gosh.
She love booty eye lashes. She toxic and gonna shake. She 20 what kind of y'all panic? Chinese Guyanese where she walk on. So we got she wanna bounce by me all the time. All the time, yeah. Although I go back I love it here. You gon' come up I love it here. You gon' come up I love it here.
Action time, ladies. Action time. Action time. Action time. Action time. Action time. Zulu. Let me see you with your tongue dead for the show me out. Who does that?
Yeah, so you know, as the band is passing, you know, you hear me 2 songs. On Fear Me, on Fear Me, on Fear Me, on Fear Me. As it should, you understand, then my 2 favorite songs to crop over. There's my Royal Marches. Big up Bruce Almighty door. Yeah. So you know, I gotta big up my DJ brethren Bill Gates. You don't know, on Zulu truck number 2. Got the girls getting on bad. Yeah, Crave the band for the road, boy. All I can tell you, whoever set up this sound system, man, this sound system, they hate it so sweet. You don't know, next year, you don't know, you got Buck, Supernova, and DJ Nalda. We put that truck, boy, that sound system would have make me sound real sweet.
So I tell you, it's We Here TV, DJ Supernova here. I with the ladies here from the Water Authority, and I know the additional all the water. You understand? You gotta keep hydrated, boy, because this sun over here.
Yeah, water,
Yeah. Hey, hey, man, come on, all the water. Yeah, man, we having a good time. I tell you, it's all about We Here TV. You don't know. It's crop over time. We have early water this morning, and then there's no more water. Yeah.
Of all the bands that passed, you see this band here, I had to showcase this band, especially because this is Betty West band. You understand? So much loyal patrons, boy. Let me tell you, this is what you call a legendary band, boy. In the business for years. I can honestly say Corporal was well represented. But you don't know, burger down, I had to represent my belly too, boy. Because let me tell you, I get hungry. Montana moving like an honorary pigeon, just greeting everybody. Yeah, no, you see this band here, Aura? It like half of Barbados and half of the Caribbean. Like they did jump in with this band, boy. Aura, big at yourself. This band was so big, right? I had a big entourage. I swear the US president was in Barbados, boy. Let me tell you, the amount of people that was in this band, the amount of security, the amount of food trucks, drink trucks, air conditioned trucks. I mean, this band is forever going on. I can bet you this band must was all And the band is still here down by the spring garden, boy. But anyhow, Aura big up on herself and it look good for the road. Action in front of me, boy. I really thought it was an action movie, boy. Yeah, anyhow, DJ Supernova home. Big up everybody that had a good time for Crop Over 2024. Understand? Is inside a bath and some sleep. Be here TV. Stay tuned for more.